Hey there, welcome to Affirmatch channel. This guided meditation will help you nurture good health in your life. Health is something we often take for granted until we lose it. Whether you're trying to make better health choices or you're dealing with an acute health issue, this meditation will help you see your body and mind as generative sources of well-being. That's right, your body and mind create good health and they're capable of healing themselves. But you have to give them the tools to do that, and it all begins with the underlying subconscious ideas that we'll instill through this meditation. So go ahead and find a comfortable position that you'd like to meditate in. It can be any position that works best for you, your body, and the space you're in. And once you've found that position, just take a nice deep breath, fill all the way up, and then exhale, release. Gently close your eyes. For this first moment of meditation, simply allow yourself to soften down, relax your face, release your jaw, and let your shoulders drop down. Let go of anything that's making you unsettled, whether that's something physical or mental. Just take another deep breath at your own pace, and as you exhale, expel it from your body. You chose this time for yourself, so just relax and enjoy it. Now, as you settle deeper and deeper down, bring to mind the image of a newborn baby. Your mind and body are just like this newborn baby. They will eat up, digest, and absorb anything you give them, even if it's not good for them. Like a baby, the body doesn't make decisions for itself. You make all of those decisions, but the body deals with the consequences. So envision what would happen if you made daily unhealthy choices for this baby. It would suffer. It would struggle to grow and develop properly. But what if you made healthy choices for it instead? That baby would thrive. It would grow and develop successfully. And it might even surprise you at all of its capabilities. Appreciate that the well-being of this baby, your very own body, is in your hands. Of course, you want to nurture it, see it healthy, happy, and thriving. And it's not about being perfect or overly strict either. It's simply about loving, caring, and respecting your body as though it were your very own child. Because without your body, you can't do all of the things you hope to do in life. So envision yourself as that baby who needs you to guide it, to care for it, to make good decisions for it. And repeat to yourself, I need my body and mind to live the life that I want to live. I treat my body and mind with the love, care, and respect they deserve. I need my mind and body to live the life that I want to live. I treat my body and mind with the love, care, and respect they deserve. My body is a temple, and I honor it with healthy choices. I am grateful for my body's ability to heal and regenerate. Every cell in my body radiates with vibrant health. I nourish my body with nutritious foods and hydrating fluids. I prioritize rest and relaxation to rejuvenate my mind and body. I am aligned with the natural rhythms of my body's needs. My immune system is strong, protecting me from illness and disease. I trust my body's innate wisdom to guide me toward optimal health. I release any tension or stress, allowing my body to function optimally. I am grateful for the gift of mobility and flexibility. I listen to my body signals and respond with love and care. I practice moderation in all things, maintaining balance in my life. I am surrounded by love and support that contribute to my well-being. My body is a powerhouse of energy, allowing me to accomplish my goals. I engage in regular physical activity that strengthens and energizes me. I breathe deeply, filling my lungs with fresh air and vitality. I am in perfect harmony with my body, mind, and spirit. I choose thoughts and beliefs that promote health and vitality. I release any habits or behaviors that no longer serve my well-being. I am worthy of experiencing vibrant health and vitality. I am grateful for my body's resilience and ability to adapt to change. I honor my body's need for sleep, allowing it to recharge and repair. I attract abundance in all areas of my life, including health. I am open to receiving healing energy from the universe. I trust in the healing power of my body's natural processes. My body is a vessel of love, radiating wellness and vitality. I am the architect of my health, building a foundation of well-being. I am grateful for the nourishment and sustenance that food provides. I release any negative beliefs about my health and embrace positivity. I am committed to making choices that support my health and longevity. I am surrounded by loving relationships that contribute to my well-being. I trust my body signals and respond with compassion and care. I am at peace with my body, accepting it as it is in this moment. I am grateful for the abundance of nutritious foods available to me. I treat my body with kindness and respect, honoring its needs. I am a magnet for positive energy and vibrant health. I forgive myself for any past neglect and commit to nurturing my health. I am worthy of investing time and resources in my health and well-being. I release any fear or anxiety about my health and embrace trust and peace. I am a beacon of health and vitality, inspiring others to prioritize their well-being. I am surrounded by supportive friends and family who encourage my health goals. I am grateful for my body's ability to heal itself and restore balance. I am in tune with my body's natural rhythms, honoring its cycles and needs. I am worthy of experiencing vibrant health and vitality in every aspect of my life. I am committed to taking proactive steps to maintain and enhance my health. I trust my intuition to guide me toward choices that support my well-being. I am grateful for the gift of life and the opportunity to experience good health. I am aligned with the universal flow of health and abundance. I choose thoughts and beliefs that promote health, vitality, and well-being. I am grateful for the gift of health and the opportunity to live life to the fullest. Well, it's about time to wrap up our meditation now. So begin to bring yourself back. Notice whatever's supporting you, whether that's a chair, the floor, or something else. Notice any sounds going on around you and feel that sensation of the air on your skin. Take one final deep breath, the deepest breath yet, and then exhale, release. And as you do, you can slowly open your eyes, gather yourself, and come out of that. My friend, health is the culmination of many actions over a long time. Even if you suffer an acute injury, whether and how well you'll heal depends on long-term decision-making. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's a long-term game. You have plenty of room to treat yourself to a piece of candy or a slice of pizza while still maintaining good, healthy decisions. So come back and repeat this meditation as often as needed to allow this idea of self-care and respect to really sink in. I promise, if you do make this one of your core beliefs, your health will become one of the strongest aspects of your being, and your whole life will benefit because of it. But that's all for now. Thanks so much for tuning in and joining me here. If you enjoyed this episode, then it would mean a lot if you took 1 second just to leave a comment or a review. I hope to see you back here soon on Affirm Match. And until next time, go out and have an absolutely fantastic day.